Palgwe, Palgwe. Jumbi. Big stance, down block. Walking stance, hammer punch. Big stance, center punch. Repeat the other side. Pull back to walking stance, hammer punch. Step, big stance, punch. Back stance, double knife, middle block. Palm block, spear hand strike. Pull to your hip. Back stance, back fist. And punch with the kiap. Back stance, outside knife attack. Pull into riding horse stance, uppercut, elbow, big stance, outside block, punch. Repeat the other side. Back stance, riding horse stance, big stance, palm in block, punch. Right foot pull, chamber, side kick, elbow. Left foot pull, chamber, right leg side kick, elbow into big stance. Turn, big stance, double outside block, under punch. Palm out, outside block, under punch. Back stance, inside single knife. Spin, elbow strike into riding horse stance with the kiap. Left foot together, left hand over top, breath control. Slide to your left, double uppercut elbow. To the right, elbow punch. The other side, elbow punch with the kiap. And left foot, bado.